Hello everyone and welcome back to Beae tutorial series, and today I will be showing you that how you can save your sections or your pages to your templates. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. So first of all, let's add an element really quick. So let's add a featured collection element and just quickly rename it. So let's suppose I have added my collection in my section 1 and now I want to save it to my template. It's really simple. Just right click on your section and you will see an option to save as template. Click on save as template and you will see a dialog box appear on top of your screen. Just enter a name for your template. Let's suppose I want to name it test section save. Hit OK and your section has been saved to my templates. Now you would be wondering that how you can access your section later on and add it to other of your pages. Just click on this add template button, go to my templates, and here my friend, you can see the test section save has been saved here. You can edit it and insert it into your page. So let's just insert, and here you go. You can see my collection has been added in my page. So what happens when you actually edit your section? Let's just test it out. Click on add template, click on this edit button now, and it takes us to another page, and here I have my collection. So let's just make a quick changes in it, rename it to test changes, and click this save button, and you can see update template successfully. Now if I go to my previous page and add the same template I added before, you can see it has been renamed to test changes. You can also save your pages to your library. Just head to right top corner of your screen and you will see this arrow. Click on it and hit save to library. Rename your page and hit save, and our page has also been saved. You can also edit your page, so let's go to edit section and let's just quickly add another element and rename it to test check. Hit the save button and now the changes in my template of page has been made. And now if I go to my previous page and insert the same page, let's overwrite it, and you can see the changes have been made here. So that's how my friend you can save your section and your pages into your templates. If you like our videos, please consider subscribing. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next one.